Model, 66-plate Ford Transit 350 curtain cider Luton chassis cab ideal recovery truck. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 109,954. MOT, the 11th of April 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a misfire. Check engine light on the dash. This could be an injector issue or worst-case scenario down on compression on a cylinder engine, still starts and runs. Doesn't sound bad at all, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401119973.